Alright, yo, what's going on, guys? I have a nature jacko launcher that I want to trade. If any of you guys want to offer like some sunbeam, bright core, shadow shard, I kind of need shadow, and I'll see what offers I get, and I'll probably take it. I'm gonna show proof that I have it.
We're ready to expand again. When you're ready to start the fight, select Expand Shield from the Storm Shield console.
Jacko 130, never been shot before. Okay, hold on, let me unbind my shoot button, just in case I accidentally shoot it. Okay, so, as you see, nature jacko. This isn't a scan, you can see it in my inventory, it's not like a glitch or anything. 130, the rolls aren't that great, but it's 130, it's really rare, so lock it up, boy. So, comment in the comment section who wants to trade for it, because I'll see the offers, and I will see if I get any good ones. Yeet.